So this one's a bit of a funny one to record. There's the unit, and here's the... I'm going to have to use the extension speaker on the test instruments because this is very low volume, but during the test I will show the volume from this. You see? Tango 21 calling Mr Chippie, copy.
Tango 21 receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent. Right, so...
Right, just come up to the end of the lane, over.
Roger, at the end of the lane, got you. So, we've got the Binatone Breakerphone here. I've been searching on eBay for 2 years for one of these. Finally got one, and if you look at the previous video, we did the servicing, got a full 4 watts out of it, and the only thing which I can criticise is the very wishy-washy squelch. It's very weak, and the equivalent of S3 is the maximum it will squelch out, which is no good at all in a town or a city. So we're in a rural area. I mean, that's fine. It's set up a treat. It's very sensitive, and I don't think we're going to have any problem at all on this test. We've altered the way the video of the base station goes. I've had so much hum.
Oh, just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger.
So I've had so much hum with the 11,000 volt substation transformer, which is only yards from the property. So we're in an isolated position. The property is fed by 11,000 volt 3-phase cables, and then we've got a transformer for the 230 volt single phase for this property, and it's not very good for mains-borne interference.
Oh, now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Tango 21 got you at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger.
So what I've done is we've put the base station now onto an aerial, outside aerial, but we'll be doing the tests with the RF gain turned right down. So before we were on a dummy load, and now we're on an external aerial, and the idea there is to eliminate the mains-borne interference which is coming in. So people have been thinking some of the radios we've been testing have got a hum on them, and of course the hum is mains-borne and not generated by the radio, but not everybody can kind of see through that. So that's fair enough, and fair comment, so eliminated that.
Right, now passing the top of the hill as we drop down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. This was certainly the first CB on the UK market with the up-down buttons on it.
And 21 from Mr Chippie, just going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, got you going round Scratchy Corner.
Roger then.
So now we're going to switch to the external speaker. Sorry, we're on the external speaker. We'll switch to the internal speaker, and for the next one I'll have it on that. So just make sure I've got the volume somewhere. This is the little 3/4 inch speaker, so you can't expect much out of it. Roger, got you at Wilsford level crossing. So I don't know whether the mic picked that up, but we'll switch now back to external speaker.
Oh, now passing the Kelby turn, over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Say again, I didn't quite get you there.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn, over.
No, I'm only just getting you. I can't understand what you're saying, but I am receiving you.
Roger on that. That's interesting. We're not on low power, are we? Tango 21, Mr Chippie, I was on low power.
Well done.
So you've been receiving me at 0.4 of a watt?
Well, I'm passing grey leaf there now, so that wasn't too bad actually.
That's one of the best ever now. Now that's come to light.
Roger that. Go 21 to Mr Chippie, where we'll at the raw speed level crossing over.
Okay, well, it's one of the clearest tests we've ever done, but then I'm using an extension speaker, otherwise they wouldn't be able to hear what is coming into the handset. So thanks for the test, and I'll see you back at Tango Towers, over.
Roger that,
10-10. Okay, well, my mistake there, high-low power on the main body of the unit, I hadn't spotted that. He had me around Scratchy Corner and didn't comment. Got me at Wilsford, no comment. It was just at Kelby at that 3 mile plus point that it ran out of steam. So I've popped it up to the 4 watts and it's worked a treat. So I know it's a bit unfair having it on an extension speaker. That's how it had to be, and I'm sure you'll appreciate that, and you take that into consideration, that it sounds clearer for that, but it's the only option. The Tandy one had a speaker built into the main body of the unit. That's the Realistic 2003, but not so on this one. So we'll go over to our base station. As I say, the test there has changed, and it's now on an external area, but with the RF gain down. So let's see how it fares.
Tango 21 testing the Binatone Breakerphone from 1981 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 12345 54321. And this is now on an aerial with the RF gain turned down. Thank you for watching.